controversy that's brewing in Maharashtra. Well, viewers, the Hindu groups like the VHP as well as Bajrang Dal are up in arms as a political storm over Aurangzeb has only intensified in the state of Maharashtra. They are now demanding that the state government remove Aurangzeb's grave from the tomb that is located in Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, which was formerly called Aurangabad. In fact, Bajrang Dal has now vowed to hit the streets across the state to raise its demand and has even issued an ultimatum to the Mahayuti government. The youth wing of the VHP says that if the government fails to fulfill their demand, they will have no option but to undertake a Kar Seva just like the Hindu groups had taken up in 1992. They warned the state government that they will themselves raise Aurangzeb's grave if the government fails to do so. Listen in.
जो आने वाली 17 तारीख है, जिस दिन छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी की जयंती है तिथि अनुसार, उसी दिन हम पूरे महाराष्ट्र राज्य में सारे तहसील ऑफिस और जो कलेक्टर ऑफिस है उन पे हिंदू समाज को साथ में लेके हुए विश्व हिंदू परिषद बजरंग दल एक बड़ा आंदोलन करने जा रही है। ये अपेक्षा है सरकार के कि ये कुकर्मी हिंदू देशी जो औरंगिया है इसकी ये कब्र वहां से हटाएं। कुछ दिन की अवधि दे रहे हैं कि वो विचार करे, मंथन करे। यदि सरकार उसको पूरा नहीं कर पा रही है तो विश्व हिंदू परिषद पूरे हिंदू समाज को लेकर रास्ते पे उतरेगी। जो अयोध्या में कलंकित बाबरी ढांचा था, जैसे उनको हमने कार सेवा करके उसको कलंकित ढांचा को गिराया था, वैसे ही हमें नौबत आ जाएगी कि हिंदू समाज वो औरंगिया की कब्र को पूरी कार सेवा करके हटाए।
Now, the ultimatum from Bajrang Dal has drawn an angry reaction from Asaduddin Owaisi's party, the AIMIM. Waris Pathan of the AIMIM accused the Bajrang Dal and the BJP of trying to take the country back to the 1992 era to divert attention from the real issues of development. The AIMIM leader urged the state government to stop Bajrang Dal's Kar Seva plans, saying that the Maharashtra government will be held responsible if anything untoward takes place.
देखिए, ये कार सेवा का नतीजा देश भुगत चुका है। हम मुसलमान देख चुके हैं कि किस तरह से 6 दिसंबर 1992 के दिन हमारी बाबरी मस्जिद को एक षड्यंत्र के तहत शहीद कर दिया गया। फिर से बीजेपी 1992 के बाबरी एरा में पूरे देश को ढकेलना चाहती है, इसलिए अब ये लेकर आ गए कब्र खोदेंगे। अरे भाई, कब्र खोदने से विकास डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा देश में? अगर कुछ अनटुवर्ड इंसिडेंट हुआ तो महाराष्ट्र सरकार रिस्पॉन्सिबल रहेगी उन तमाम चीजों का। तो सरकार को रोकना चाहिए इस तरह की इजाजत देने का कि ठीक है आप जाइए वहां पे कर सेवा करिए।
Now, amid the raging Aurangzeb face-off, the BJP MLA T. Raja Singh has also written to the central government demanding a complete halt on any government spending on the upkeep of Aurangzeb's tomb. Branding the Mughal ruler a tyrant who demolished hundreds of Hindu temples, Raja in his letter demanded that not a single rupee from taxpayers' money should be spent on Aurangzeb's tomb. He in fact stated that Aurangzeb's tomb has no relevance to India's culture and heritage. This, remember, comes days after Times Now had also revealed how lakhs of rupees were being spent year after year on the upkeep of Aurangzeb's tomb. An RTI reply dated the 23 of January details the grants that have been provided to Aurangzeb's tomb every year by the Archaeological Survey of India for the maintenance of the grave of Aurangzeb. According to the available information, 4.5 lakhs have been spent in just 2 years. And contrast this to the allowance that is given by the Maharashtra government for the only temple of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj located in Sindhudurg Fort. Now, you'd be shocked to know that only a meager monthly assistance of 250 rupees was given to the temple, which is a symbol of the glorious culture of Maharashtra. So look at the comparison, and the comparison clearly shows you the story, which is why there is so much outrage. This is according to an RTI that has been filed, and the Maharashtra government resolution dated April 1st, 1970. And this is what it says, and it has never had a change since then. So the annual allowance that has been given, and look at the amount that is being spent on the upkeep of the Aurangzeb tomb. Over 2 lakh rupees till 2022 to 2023. This is until November is when the cost has been paid. 2021 to 22, another 2.5 lakh or more being spent in 2021 to 2011 to 2021 as well. Almost 2 lakh rupees being spent. So in total, in this RTI reply that is dated the 5th of January 2023, 6.5 lakh or more rupees being spent on the upkeep of the tomb of Aurangzeb. So this raised several questions because many also made a comparison with the money that is being spent at Aurangzeb's tomb versus the symbol of Maharashtra, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, in the temple, the annual allowance being a meager 3,000 rupees. So this sparked a lot of anger because this also comes amid the war that is taking place. So the political reactions and the war around it continues. A lot of questions also being raised on whether Bajrang Dal and other organizations can issue a threat like this to the government. We're keeping a track of the developments there. For now, slipping into a quick break. We'll be right back.